Hi everybody, welcome to my new video. Yes, I'm Georgia, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Dutch song for Eurovision 2024 called Europapa, performed by Joost or Klein. I'm not sure. Please let me know in the comments below if I read it right. So this is the Dutch song that will be representing the Netherlands at the Eurovision Song Contest 2024. It was released a couple of days ago and it has already gained almost 4 million views on YouTube in 48 hours. And it's already been doing so well on the streaming services, which is crazy. So I'm really looking forward to give my reaction to this song and the video. I've read that this song is dedicated to his father, so obviously Europapa. So I assume that there will be something crazy because his previous work is really ecstatic and really fun, but I assume that there will also be this emotional part to the song or the video. So here's my reaction to the song, and let's see what Joost has prepared for Eurovision 2024 with Europapa. Okay, we already know that after this Europe Let's Come Together, the crowd in the arena is gonna go wild. And it's already catchy right from the start. I think everybody's gonna be able to sing Europapa right away. Yeah, I mean, this song really takes me back to when I was a kid and I was growing up with the music from Scooter, or I don't know, the other 90s or early 2000s music. And I know that a lot of people will feel the nostalgia in this song, and I think they're gonna love it. Okay, so I guess this song is talking about there's no limits, there are no borders throughout Europe, as he's talking about Europe. I can't relate because I have 2 passports, and neither of which help me travel without passports or without borders. But as of now, yeah, for now, maybe that changes in the future. Okay, a bit of German here as well. Italian. Yeah, this has so much potential for a crazy performance that everybody in the arena in Malmö is gonna love. And yeah, I'm sure I like his thing. She represented the Netherlands a couple of years ago. She was one of my favorites. I love that song. Stromae Papa Ute reference. Love that song. This is insanely catchy. This is insanely catchy. I really like it. Okay, and there's choreography. There's choreography as well that can be trending and viral all over social media, even before Eurovision and then during Eurovision week. Yeah, this had all the ingredients necessary to do so well with the televoting. On the other hand, I'm not sure if the jury is gonna love this, but you never know. Maybe they will. I don't know if it's gonna be top 3 with the jury, but with the televote, it could be. Now this part, yeah, as I said, the crowd is going to love every single second of this performance in Malmö, and the people watching at home are going to go crazy for this as well. Yeah, I can't wait to see what they will do on stage with this. Yeah, this works so well for me. This really works well. Yeah, I think this is going to be top 10 overall, 100%. Okay, yeah, this is the part that I expected when I heard that it was dedicated to his father and his parents. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful, and I hope they keep this for the performance as well, because I really would love to see this, as this is dedicated to his late parents, to have all the fun and craziness, but also mention that he dedicated this to them. Yeah, this part from me to my parents. Yeah, I love this. I love this. Every bit of it. I love this. Thank you, Joost. So, as I said, Europapa. Crazy, catchy, fun, danceable, has all the ingredients to go viral, to go top 5 with the televoters in May in Eurovision. It's already doing so well on YouTube and all the music streaming platforms, and it's only been 2 days. I can't even imagine what's going to happen in the future, in the following weeks and months. I will be listening to this song all spring, and I think the whole Europe will be listening to this all summer long. So yeah, there's this emotional part that I absolutely love, and that's why I said I really hope that he will keep that part for the performance as well. This part in the end, from me to my parents, and just this message that he sends to his father in the end, and the burning house and the photos. I hope he also puts it in the performance, because I really feel like it could like give a next, something even more powerful to the performance that I think people will love even more. This is going to be top 10 in the final. I would bet on it to be top 10 in the final, and I think it's going to be one of the highest. The highest in televote. Yeah, one of the highest in televote. I don't know what's going to happen. There's a couple of songs left to be released. So many performances left to see. But yeah, I think this has the virality, the catchiness, the coolness that Cha 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 had, that Trenuletul had. So yeah, this is what I think. What do you guys think of Europapa? Do you think he could do well? Do you think this could be an underdog and maybe even go all the way and win, even though I think the bookies don't even see it in the top 10 as of now? I don't get why. But anyways, let me know in the comments below. Let's discuss. And what can I say? Good luck to the Netherlands in the Eurovision Song Contest. Good luck to Joost. And I will be listening to Europapa for a long, long time for sure. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Ciao.